Hello guys, welcome to Nest for Code, the place where code nourish. We are in 30 days coding challenge. Let's see the day 7 problem. Generate HTML text. So what's the problem statement says? That we have to write a program which will take 4 strings as input. First string will be the tag name and the second string onward will be the value or the text inside the tag, right? And we have to generate the HTML text for the same. And what would be the format of HTML tag? Let us suppose if the tag name is given as a I, so we have to generate the text like this, right? This is a starting tag and this is the ending tag, and this will be the value like for the which will be getting from the second, third and fourth string. Okay, we cannot use loop in this case. We have to do this problem without using loops, and the tag string will not be empty, but the value can be empty. So always will be always having a tag string, but yeah, values can be empty also. And output string we should store in a variable before printing. Okay, let's understand this problem in a better way. Let us suppose if the tag string given is I, right? If this is I, and okay, we make this also, right? And what is the tag value which is given? Like that, this will be the first string. The second string can be anything, right? Let us suppose if the second string is given, say ABC, like say DEF, this is a third string which is given, and it can be empty also, nothing. Okay, for now let us suppose we are taking, like let us suppose we are taking say nest for code only, right? So this is our one string, right? So total we got 4 strings, right? So what we have to do, we have to make the tag like this I, and then we'll putting the value inside these tags, right? So this will be the starting tag and this will be our ending tag, and the same thing we have to do with all the strings like this, right? Okay, so let's move on to the solution part, how we can solve this problem. So guys, our solution like will be consist of 3 parts, like input, logic and output. Yeah, so in input we'll be getting 4 strings. One will be the tag name. So first one will be the tag name. We can store it in a variable say tag name. So we can just say enter the tag name, or we can also refer to the input output set, like if you want to see like what will be the values for this. And guys, I recommend you to go through the string session topic first if you are new to strings, and if you want to understand the concept which we are going to use in this video, right? You can go through this string session first before jumping to the solution part. So let's see the input output. So we can have a tag name, string 1, string 2. So we can also use the same format for taking the input, right? So we'll also have tag name. So this will be the tag name, and then we'll have multiple strings, right, for which will be used as a part of a value, right, in the tag name. Okay, and then there will be string 2, string 3, right? So I'm getting all the strings as the input from the user. Now it's come to logic. So what we want to do, we want to create the tags, right? So we know the tag name, but let's suppose how what will be that there will be 2 parts. One will be the tag start part, right? So what will be here? It will be a, right, this sign, right? What is this sign is? This is a less than sign, right? Plus we'll give a tag name, right? And then we'll give a curtain sign, right? So this will be our tag start. Similarly, we will have tag end also, right? What will be the tag end? We'll have same bracket then slash, right? We can see also here, right? So it will be like this. So it will be, right? Then again tag name, and then this and color, right? Okay, so we have tag start and tag end, right? So now we can create the strings, all these strings output also, right? So we can name it as output 1 or tag 1 or tag 2, 3, or like this also. Let us suppose if I'm giving tag 1, so it will have tag start plus string 1. So guys, in place of tag start, tag end, we can also give here directly, but yeah, because the case was we have multiple things, so it's better to like write like this, right? String 2 because we don't need to create tag and again and again. Tag 3, it will also be a tag start plus string 3 plus tag end, right? So we are done, and now we can just print this, right? And we have to directly print, like we don't need to print any statement. We can just say print tag 1, print tag 2, and print tag 3, right? And we are done. Okay, let's try to run our program with the given input output test cases. The tag name is B. Okay, strings is next for code day 8 coding challenge. Next for code day 8 coding challenge. Okay. So we got this output, right? It's working as expected. Okay, let's try out our code for the another test case also. Yeah, so what is h1 learning coding? h1 learning coding argument third string is just an empty string. So to give an empty string, you can just press enter and it will be empty string, right? So we can see our output is coming as expected, right? So this was what is expected. So guys, and there can be other way to write this program, right? What we can do, in place of this tag start, we can just copy this code everywhere, right? And we can, and similarly for tag end, we can just copy this code here. But because we want to use this tag start and tag end for multiple strings, so it's better to declare them first here and then use it, right? Because tomorrow if we just change this part of the way of tags, we just need to change with this variable, and we don't need to go each and every variable and change the value, right? So this is something, right, which follow as a standard in companies also. And guys, don't forget to like this video and add your comments and try it on your own also. And don't miss out to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy coding, guys. Thank you.